Hello, Kaushik. Do you hear me? Hello, Kaushik. Do you hear me?
Yes, I don't know why Zoom is not working on my computer, so I joined from Nana's phone.
Okay, that's why. Okay. Means in my side, everything is okay. No problem. Okay. So starting the session. And so what was the last topic I covered yesterday? So did you work on
Uh,
this? Did you look at this table?
Yeah, I took a look at it.
Okay, okay. Now see here. Let me explain again one by one. Means first dealing with about the CAD. So in the CAD, you can use the signed a qualifier or unsigned qualifier. I told you what if you are using the signed or unsigned, size is same, 1 byte, but only difference is what, Kaushik? Its range is changed. In case of the unsigned
The
CAD,
range is the same.
yes, 0 to 255. But in case of signed CAD, minus 128 to 2 plus 127. So this is the range. And the answer which you provide me, that is the wrong answer. Okay. So again, you have to work on that. And second point, Kaushik, means
Wait, which one was the wrong answer?
see here, there is no need of writing each and every, means that is the burden. Just you have to use the dot, 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 dot. Got my points? In case of the 3, 4, 5
No.
years, okay.
Wait,
But,
in which part of the homework did I go wrong?
your range is wrong in case of the signed data. Okay, signed format, that range is wrong. Okay, so
Okay, but is the binary okay?
yes, binary, that is okay. Okay, once again, Kaushik, let me show you once again. Suppose means what should be the first one? 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0. Yes. So which
Yes.
one? It represents, it's represent 0. Now next one 0 0 0 0, then 0 0 0 1. Correct? It represents which one? It represents which decimal data? 1. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Second 0 0 0 0. Next 0 0 1 0. So it represents your two data and so on. In the same way, 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 and again 1, like this. So it represents 3. Again, I'm taking few more. 0 0 0 0, next 0 1 0 0. It represents 4. Yes or no? Etc. Dot dot. I'm using dot dot. So no need of writing each and every. That is the time consuming process. Got my point or not? Just use dot dot. Okay. And last, what should be after last? 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. Okay. And it represents. It represents which decimal number? It is what, 255, not 231. That is also the mistake from your side. What my point or not? So how you can get this one? Very simple. Very simple, Kaushik. Means no need. We have the formula. Means how many one you have? Number of ones. Number of ones. How many? How many? 7. 7.
Oh, 8
Sorry. 8. So what is the formula for calculating here? Means 2 power 8 minus 1. This is the formula. 2 power 8 minus 1. So if you calculate this one, then what means what is 2 power 8? That is 256. 256 minus 1, that is what? That is what? 255. Agree or not? Remember how to get the decimal, how to get decimal number from any binary number. So this is the, suppose for example, I'm giving you 1 1 1 1 and 1, 5 times 1. So which decimal number it represents? How you can calculate? By using the formula 2 power, how many pipes? Sorry, how many ones? 5. So 2 power 5 minus 1. This is the formula. So if you calculate this, what is 2 power 5 means 4, this is 32, 32 minus 1, that is 30, 31 is the answer. Got my point?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can follow this one and you can get the solution. And don't waste the time writing each and everything. Okay, that is waste of the time. Just use dot dot. Understand? Now see here, in case of the negative, in case of a negative number, so what is a concept? Just what trying to convince you in short. As I told you, in case of negative number, the last bit is used as the for storing the what sign, not for the data. Okay. What happens? Why you joined again? Kaushik, do you hear me? Hello, Kaushik, do you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, I don't know. Something happened.
Yes. So why it is happening? It is happening only in case of you. In case of the Kartik, everything fine. Okay.
I think
So see
it's
here.
internet because I'm using a different device. I think it's internet problem or something.
Okay. No problem. Now see here. Suppose I'm taking any data 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 0, 0, 0, 0. Now which one it represents? 0. Correct. Again, I'm taking 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Which one it represents? 1, etc. Okay. Now see here, in this case, you have only 7-bit data. Remember,
8
in this
digits,
case,
right?
No. That is the main points. In this case, means you have only 7-bit data. Remember, that is the point. 7-bit data, 7-bit box, memory box to store the data. Okay, the last one means last bit is reserved for sign. Remember this point. What my point? No, this is the main points. Understand? So so for sign already again I told you, if in the last bit, if you have the 0, it indicates means which type of data? It is the positive number. Sorry, it is the positive number. Yes, but if you have the 1, so it represents what you have the negative number.
Last bit or first bit?
Last bit. This one. Last with this one. Got me? Okay.
That's the first one, right?
No. Actually, miss what numbering is like this. What is 7? I'm trying to explain you 7, 6, 5, 4, and here 3, 2, 1, and 0. Actually, this is unnumbering. Okay, 0th bit, 1st bit, 2nd bit, 3rd bit, 4th bit, 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit. And got my point to know? Understand? Okay, so remember always this one. So this is the what bit position. Always remember such things. Got my point? So first is what? Don't start from the 1, but it is the 0th bit, 1st bit, 2nd bit, 3rd bit, 4th bit, 5th bit, 6th bit, 7th bit position. Got my point? Now 7th bit here means the 7th bit position is reserved. Again here I am mentioning that point for you. Means 7th bit is reserved. Got my point? Now it is clear now. So miss what? So you can consider only a total 7 bit, 3 in that side and 4 here. So 3 plus 4 total 7 bit for the data. Understand the points? Suppose so you have the 0 indicates that is the positive number. So it indicates this is the positive number. Here it indicates this is the positive number. Got my point or not? Again, I'm writing 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 1, 0. Now it indicates which decimal number? It indicates which decimal number? So plus 2. Yes.
But
so,
then shouldn't the plus 1, shouldn't that be minus 1?
Yes, just wait. So all these are related to which one, Kaushik? Means what positive one. So what should be the last one? Here I'm using dot.
1,
dot,
1,
dot,
1, 1.
No. 0, 1, 1, 1, and here 1, 1, 1, 1. So I
Oh,
hope
yeah,
you will
because
never
70.
forget. So now, which type of the what is the decimal number? So plus, so 7 times 1. So how you can calculate 2 power 7 minus 1? Just you can tell me. 2 power 7 minus 1.
2 power 7
2 power
is
7 minus 1. What is this one?
128. So 128 minus 1, that's 127.
127. Understand? So this is, so which type of this data is? So 1, 2, 7 is plus 127. Understand or not the concept? So this is the way. So this is your last point. So in the positive side, means we can say, so in positive side, what is the range? What is the range? Range is what? 0 to 127. Agree or not?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now again you have to repeat the same procedure but in the negative direction. So in the negative direction, one by one I am starting. So here 1. Next I have what? 0, 0, 0, and here 0, 0, 0, 0. Next I have 1, 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 0, 1. Next I have 1, 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 1, 0, etc. Dot, 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 dot. Okay, just not, sorry. Dot, dot, dot. So what is the last one? Last one, you tell me. Definitely 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1. Understand? When you calculate, so you will get.
So in the
what is
bottom you
range?
have 8-bit. So in the bottom you have 8 bits, and then in the top you have 7 bits.
7
memory.
bit, because see here again you are confused. The last means 7 bit is the sign. Don't consider it as the data. This is the signed bit. One represents this is the negative number. So only you have the 7 ones. Understand the points? So what is the range in the negative case? So in a negative side, range is what?
Range is
what now? You tell me. Range is actually minus 128 to which one? Actually means what? You can start from
127.
no, don't say 127. Actually, that comes in the positive side. So you can say minus 1. Minus 1 like this. Minus 128 to minus 1. Understand? So overall, what is the range? Means mixing both positive, negative. So
negative 128 to
yes,
127.
minus 128 to plus 127. Got this point? So this is the magic behind mathematics, means about this one. So you should never forget this.
What is the difference between this and so I did last night's homework wrong?
Again, Miss, you will analyze it once again. Okay, Miss, you define what a 231 like this. That's why I'm giving the wrong answer. Okay, okay, so it is wrong. So again, don't worry. Again, you should worry. At first, you tell me this is understood or not. This one, which I explained.
Yes, can you send that in WhatsApp?
This one, or definitely, sure. This time I'm sending you. Don't worry. Don't worry. So this one. Understand? Already you get this one. Okay, yeah. So see here, Kaushik. So if you get this concept on the 8-bit, then you can calculate each and everything for the 16-bit, for the 30-bit, 32-bit, for the 64-bit memory, etc. Understand? Actually, this is a convention in the digital computer organization. But Miss, I am teaching my students in the C because this is the basic thing. Miss, that guy must know such basic things. Understand? But I don't want to spend more time on the what computer organization, because this is not the DCO paper. Okay, Kaushik. So again, let me start the session. Okay, fine. Now look at the table. So you get the concept about signed and unsigned. Once again, which qualifier you are using, it doesn't matter. Means size is same, only range is changed. In case of the CAD, this is the range. Understand? Now coming on the int, and see here in the int, means we have so many variety Kaushik here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 variety. Okay, so dealing with one by one. What is the very first one? You can write int or signed int. I told you, if you are not using any qualifier, signed or unsigned, then compiler take which one by default?
Unsigned.
No. Signed. Compiler takes by default signed. If you need unsigned concept, then you have to use unsigned keyword. Remember this code. Understand? Clear or not? Clear it is? Okay. So obviously you can write int or sign it. Both are the same. So in this case, here, what is the size? 2 byte. But remember, actually this table is meant for the old compiler. But if you write the program in the latest compiler, so integer is taking generally 4 bytes. So understand, Kaushik? So definitely this will be changed. But in this time, you assume, size is 2 byte. So in case of the 2 byte, what should be the range? Plus minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. That's why I have given you the tags, so that in the later, you can yourself calculate this, how this range is calculated. Got my point or not? Not getting?
I am getting.
Getting? Very simple. Okay. Because in the signed, one is reserved. So how many bit you have in case of the 2 byte? How many bit? 8 into 2, 60. Means total 15 bit box you have for storing the data. Yes? Yes or no?
Where 15 bit?
Yeah. Not getting, just what you have to work hard, Kaushik. Okay, see here, just now. In case of, I am dealing with what? 2 bytes. That is 2 bytes. That is what? 16 bit. Yes or no? That is 16 bit. So in this 16 bit, what happens? One is reserved. So only I have how much? Only we have
1 byte.
15 bit memory. Memory for data. Yes or no? And 1 byte, last bit
is used for
that is
for sign.
That is which I can say 15th, just another 15th bit position. Yes or no? Position is reserved. Reserved. Just a minute. Reserved for sign. Agree? Agree? So in this case, if you calculate like this, suppose I am taking 0 and 1 1 1, again 1 1 1 1, again 1 1 1 1, again 1 1 1 1. When you calculate this one, what you will get? Which is the corresponding decimal number?
I'm sorry.
Already you have the formula. So this is what you can calculate like this: 2 power how many? How many one you have? 15.
15.
Just matter 2 power 15 minus 1. Okay, I'm not going to calculate. If you calculate, you will get which data? You will definitely get 32,767. Yes, right. Understand the points? Okay, so I'm stopping this one now. Coming on the PPT. Okay, so in this way you can verify each and everything yourself. Okay, so first one in case of int or signed int, 2 byte. This is the range. You agree or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now taking the second one, unsigned int, size is same, but only range is changed. Why 65,535? Can you convince me? Here again I'm trying to convince you. In case of the positive data, means what?
All ones. All will be ones.
Unsigned int. Unsigned int case, what happens? Yes, suppose I am taking 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1. Okay. So which type of when you calculate this one, this is what? Can you calculate like this? 2 power 16 minus 1. Yes or no? If you calculate this, you will get which type of data? Means you will get 65,500 30.
535.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you are getting. So in case of unsigned int, what is the range? What is the range, Kaushik? Can we say 0 to
Uh,
0 to 65,535 in case of the unsigned? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes. Okay. Now you understand, but you take too much time. Okay. So see here. Now coming
Sorry.
on the third one. Okay. Don't worry. So coming on the short. See here. We have again another qualifier. Short and long. Yes or no? So first dealing with the short. If you are using the short int, so what happens? Means the size is reduced from the 2 byte. It is what 1 byte. So you can also write short int or signed short int. I have told you, if you are not using either signed or unsigned, so by default, system will take signed. Got my
Yeah.
point? So
Yes.
if you are using the signed int, so means here signed is what hidden. Signed is hidden. Means system is taking signed. Or manually you can write signed short int. So both are the same. So size is 1 but so what is the range? Obviously minus 128 to 127 means this range is similar to the about signed cat just on the top. Agree? Which confusion you have? Agree or not? Because
No, that just took me 1 second to process. Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay, because the size is 1 byte. Okay, so and it is signed, it is not unsigned. So in case of the signed, what you have both negative and positive number. So what happens? The range is this one, just like you calculated in case of the top cat, signed cat. Understand? Okay.
Yeah.
Now taking the if you are taking cosec unsigned sorting, then in this case what happens? Size is still 1 byte, but your range is increased. That is 0 to 255. Agree or not? Okay, fine. Now, just coming on the long. If you use the long, in case of the short, size is reduced. But in case of the long, size is increased from the 2 byte. Now it is taking 4 byte. Okay, but it is the signed long int. So this is the range. Okay, you can mathematically calculate for your satisfaction. But if you are taking the unsigned long int, then what happens? Kaushik?
That's 2,147,000,000.
Yes, something. And see here, don't try to remember something, but get the concept. Okay, how it is to be calculated. In case of the unsigned longing, still size is 4 byte, but range is increased because it is starting from the 0 because there is no negative number. So I hope it is clear. So once again, Kaushik, in case of the int, so total how many variety you have? 1, 2,
Yeah,
3,
8 types of
4,
int.
5, 6. No, 6. Total 6 variety in case of the int. In case of int, you have total 6 variety. This one, int or signed int. Second, unsigned int. Third, short int or signed short int. Fourth, unsigned short int. Fifth, long int or signed long int. Sixth one, unsigned long int. So getting the concept means basic data type is only int. But using the qualifier, we have so many data type created. Understand, Kaushik? Okay.
Yeah.
You must digest all such things. Means it will help you in your future. Understand? Means never try to forget such things. Now coming on the float. So in the float, as you know, size is what? 4 byte. And this is the range. You have to remember 3.4 e power minus 38 to 3.4 e power plus 38. What do you mean by e plus 38 and e minus 38, Kaushik?
Oh, that's 3.4 times 10 to the power of negative 38.
Yes, 10 power.
3.4 times 10 to the power of positive 38.
Yes, 10 power minus 38, 10 power plus 38. That is the point. Okay. And what about the double? In case of double, size is 8 byte. So obviously here range is also increased. So generally it is used in the scientific expression, scientific notation, double is generally used. Got my point? But generally for salary, etc., we are generally taking the floor. In case of the suppose in the scientific environment, you have again a very big number or very small number. Then you can take the long double instead of the simple double. So what benefit you will have? Miss 2 byte size is again increased from the 8 byte. It is what 10 byte. So obviously this is the range total. So instead of the minus 38, now you have minus 4932. So obviously very small data. and plus 4932 means what? 10 power this much means very big data. Agree or not? Kaushik?
Yeah.
Okay, so after the session means time to time just revise this table. Understand? So in this time,
Yeah.
miss, did I WhatsApp this table to you?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. Okay. So just copy, make notes, and time to time remember this one. And no need of remembering such a large data. Just get the concept. Understand?
Yeah,
Kaushik?
yeah.
Okay.
I got the concept. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Yeah.
Ah,
Can you
Okay.
send
Now,
the note the notepad?
this time, which notepad?
The second notepad.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Just a minute. Are you making proper notes or not, Kaushik?
I realized it's easier to make notes. If you send these notes, I realized it's easier to make the notes
Okay.
when I
Okay.
have
Okay.
time after class. So we
Okay.
can
Okay.
cover.
Okay. Boss. No problem. Okay. Enjoy the learning. Okay. Fine.
Mm.
Now, so I hope it means you get all such concepts. Yes. 1 second, Karthik. Sorry. Kaushik means I remember Karthik always because okay. So int char means once again basic data type is only 4 char int float double, but we have so many qualifier. What is the advantage of this one? Using such qualifier on the basic data type, you can create a different data type. Understand? Which we have seen
What is
in
the
the table.
use for type call? You said you would tell, but you never said
Which
what's
one?
the use of
Which one?
type qualifier?
See, short, long, signed, unsigned. You get already.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Const is left. Okay, I will discuss later when that particular topic comes. Understand? So just wait for that one. Okay. Next one. So int char means I discussed each and everything in detail. This table I completed successfully. Okay. Now just to come on the point. Just question session means anyone can ask you. Means what do you mean by the data type? What is data type? What is the
Data.
identifier? What is the variable? What is the initialization? What do you mean by the initialization? In the name, what is the size qualifier? What is the type qualifier? What is the signed qualifier? And I hope, Kaushik, among all questions, 4 plus 7, you can answer 6 questions. Only one you are not doing because I didn't teach you. Am I right or wrong?
Yeah.
Okay, so means I try to work on this. Just a minute. Means I'm sending this one also.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Only one means I didn't teach you. Okay, so later when I teach you, then you can understand about the initialization. Okay, fine. Okay, next one. Now see a new topic about the constants. Okay, so see as the name implies, say Kaushik, two things we have: constant, variable. As the name implies, very simple to explain. Variable that is changing, that is varying every time. Yes, but what about constant? That is fixed, that is not changing. Means its data age remains same always.
It's
Got my
data
point?
remains the same. Okay.
Okay, means its value is not changing. Once you supply that data, okay, that is fixed. Okay, now see in the constant means we have total 3 category: numerical constant, character constant, and string constant. Okay, so what comes in the numerical category? Tell me. Kaushik, first let me finish. Okay, then you will ask me. Okay, so in case of the numerical constant, so 2 category we have: integer and real data. Integer constant and real constant. Got my point? Now, in case of the integer constant, again we have so many variety: decimal integer, octal decimal integer, and what hexadecimal integer. I will explain one by one each. First, all of you concentrate on what is the numerical constant, what do you mean by the character constant, and what do you mean by the string constant. But among three, you have been familiar about the two: numerical constant and the character constants. I discussed yesterday about the character. Okay, so once again, don't worry, again, I'm repeating. Just a look at this one. What do you mean by the char constants? So character is enclosed in the single quotes. I discussed yesterday, e.g., a small a within the single quotes. This refers to ASCII character, say, which contains 256 characters. Now, Miss ASCII concepts comes here. See here, Kaushik, whenever you put any single things from the keyboard within the single quotes, that is related to the ASCII number. And you know, for each and every key value, we have associated ASCII number. For example, again, let me explain on the see here. Suppose I'm taking A, next I'm taking B, next I'm taking C, etc.
Yeah.
Okay. So for the A, what is the ASCII? What is the ASCII? You know, 65. Okay. For the B, what is the ASCII? 66. For the C, what is the ASCII? 67, etc. etc. Understand? Now coming about what small A. For the A, 90, right? 97. For the B, 90, 98. For the C, 90, 99, etc. So I hope you get this point. Understand? Even not only this one, even now I'm taking what 0. I'm taking 1. I'm taking 2. Dot. Last one. I'm taking 9. So even for the digit 0 to 9, we have the associated ASCII number. So what is the ASCII for the 0? Do you remember? I think 48.
I don't think you taught me.
48.
Is it like 50 or something?
See, yeah, 48. 48 is the ASCII. 49 next. For it, what is a 50? Remember. So dot. So what is the last one? For the 9, which what should be
57.
57. Yes, right. Understand? So remember, means for each and everything on the keyboard. Suppose I am giving you here what at the rate of symbol. So it is also having the ASCII, but miss I forget. I don't remember. Suppose I have the has. It is also having some ASCII. I have the less than symbol. It is also having some ASCII. Means for each and every key on the keyboard, means it has associated ASCII number. Got my point or not? Understand? Yeah. Okay. Second points again, remember which I discussed yesterday. I'm writing what suppose 5, and I'm writing within single quotes 5. There is a huge difference between these two. Got my point or not?
One is an integer and one is a character.
Yes, this is the integer data. Yes, this is the integer constant. Integer constant. Understand? But this is what? Sorry. But this is what? Character constant. Remember the point. Character constant. Understand? Okay. Means it is having a different ASCII number. It is having different ASCII number. So now you can understand my PPT very easily now. So just a minute. So now just look at this one. So character is enclosed in single quotes. So this refers to ASCII character set which contains total 256 characters. So that is numbered from 0 to 255. Now for capital A to Z, 65 to 90. For a small a to Z, 97 to 122. Just a minute. Means what I missed that one here. Here you tell me. For the Z, what should be 122. Understand or not? Okay.
Yeah.
So for the 0 to 9, 48 to 51, you get about character constant. Kaushik, go peacefully, quietly. Okay, go politely. Understand or not? First one, understand about character constant.
Yeah, I understand character constant.
Okay. Now coming on the string constant. So see here, a string constant is what? It is totally different from the character constant. So how it is defined, Kaushik? A string constant is enclosed within double quotes. This is the difference. Character constant is enclosed within single quotes, but a string constant is enclosed within double quotes. Second point, at the end of the string, the null character is automatically placed by the compiler. Second point, understand the points? Null character for each and every string. Let me explain on the notepad just a minute, or you have the confusion. String constant. Okay, now see here, suppose means I'm writing what my name writing. So DKC. So this is not the character. This is not the character, not character. But what is this one? But a string. Remember, and it is group of what 4 characters. What is the confusion? You tell me. It is group of the 4 characters, but I only mentioned 3.
No.
So what is the main point?
Because is it because the quotes count as characters?
Just but means why it is Zoom is not allowing me to. Okay, so I have the 10 minutes time. Again, miss, I will continue because here Zoom is what disturbing me. Miss, it is not allowing me to take up more than 40 minutes time. So, miss, again, I will reconnect. Understand when it is disconnected, Kaushik. Got my point?
Okay, you want me to reconnect as well?
Not at this time. When that problem arises after 10 minutes. Okay, first let me continue. Do you see some message on my screen? Running out of time?
Yeah, on my screen it says
Yes.
remaining time.
Yes. That is the problem of the Zoom. Okay, why it is happening, I don't know. Okay, so see here. Now tell me why I'm saying 4 characters. But here, only I have the 3 characters.
Is it because the quotation count as characters?
No. Actually, what is happening? Compiler stores DKC and at last null character. How null character is represented? Backslash and 0. Okay, so this is the total concept. Means at the end of any string, okay, means compiler put the null character automatically. You need not to put manually null character. Understand? Oh, understand the point. This is the very important point. Now, suppose Karthik, I'm taking another one. Here I'm taking simple A. Now, you tell me, is it constant? It is character. Is it character?
No.
No. But it is what? But it is
string.
It is what? A string. A string of 2 characters. One is A.
Does that mean if there is a blank? Does that mean like if there's a blank string, it has one character?
And just a minute, and second is what? Null character. Null character. Now, first, you understand this one or not?
Yeah, means, I do. But does that
yes, manually I am not putting the null character. Means a compiler place null character at the end of the string. Remember this one. Understand?
I know, but does that mean, let's say, have an empty string? Does that mean it has one? Does it?
Yes.
Does that mean it only has one character?
Yes. Yes. See here. Means it is what? Empty string. You can say this is the empty string. Understand? Because it is having only null. It is having only just what? Only null character.
So that means it is just one character.
Roughly you can say no, you can't say one character. This this example is what you can say one character. Null character is placed by the what compiler. Understand? This is you can say this is the empty string. Okay. Understand the points? Okay. Now once again, just I am taking another example. What happens here? If I am taking this one A. Now, what is your opinion?
Oh, that's a character.
Good. Very good. Character. Understand? So I hope you get this concept. Okay. Do you need such notes? Okay. At last, I will WhatsApp.
Yeah, can you send them on WhatsApp and then I'll rejoin.
Okay. Fine. Now, so you get about this one. So once again, there are few examples. So 2, 3, 4, 5. You can say a string or not?
String, yeah.
Yes. 8 within double quotes. You can say a string or not?
Yes.
So at the end of a string, the null character is automatically placed by the compiler. Now, coming on the numerical constants. So it is either positive or negative number. Second one, no space is allowed between digits. Third one, it should have at least one digit. Next one, it may contain decimal or may not. So just I'm giving the example, numerical constants. I'm just giving the example. So suppose 12. This is the numerical constant. Suppose minus 12. This is also numerical. Now I'm taking 15,500. 500. This is also yes. Now I'm taking 15,000 space 500. What is your opinion here? This is not.
This
This
is
is not called
no.
the no because I put a space here. So a space is not allowed. Remember, understand? Now, because in our general life, sometimes we are providing a space. Okay. Okay, so this
Okay.
is not allowed. Suppose here I'm some people is using the comma between such things. So this is also not allowed. So this is not called the what numerical constant. Remember, understand? Now I'm
Mhm.
taking what minus 15,500 point 555. This is what? Yes.
Yes, it's the
Understand?
decimal.
Yes. Okay. Now, yes, etc. So very simple. So what is the conclusion? You must not have the space. You must not have the comma. Okay. You may have the negative sign. You may have the positive sign. You may have the decimal point. What is not very simple? This is very simple. Okay. So it is done. Now, again, see, in the numerical constant, we have the two variety, integer constant and real constant. So very simple, integer constant, it doesn't have what decimal point. In the integer constant, we don't have any fractional part. But in the real constant, we have the fractional part. Clear or not? Already you know this one. Already you know this one.
Yeah.
Some data having fractional part, some may not having fractional part. So not having fractional part, that is called integer constant, pure integer constant. And having the fractional portion, that comes in real constant. Understand? So this is the example. So again, in the integer constant, means we have variety, means how you can express. Means for the decimal, you can use 0 to 9 base 10. So easy, 10, 123, 8, 10, 6, 7. Now see here, Kaushik, means you have also the octal number system. Yes, you can
Yeah.
also provide your
Decimal.
data into the hexadecimal number system. So in any format, you can supply the data, you can supply your information. But by default, system understands, means you are supplying in the decimal number system. But what happens if you want to supply the data into the octal system? If you want to supply the data into the hexadecimal number system, then in this case, what happens? You have to use some prefix here, 0x. 0x means compiler understand that, oh, you are not supplying the information into the decimal format, but you are supplying that information into the hexadecimal format. Got my point? 0x23.
So
0x23.
0x is just the identifier that tells.
Just identify means what it is the prefix for understanding the compiler, means you are supplying the information into the hex format, not into the normal decimal format. Got my point?
Yeah, they didn't teach us
Okay.
hexadecimal in school yet. So.
And see here, middle one, oct. If you want to supply in the octal number system, then you have to just use the what zero, simple zero. So 05, 077, 037. So system understand, oh, this data is not in the normal format, but this is in the octal format. If you are not giving any prefix here in the above case, system understand that, oh, it is in the normal format. That is, means you are following the decimal number system. So I hope it is clear, not Kaushik? In the integer, once again, in the integer constant means we have the three choices to pass the data: decimal format, octal format, and hexadecimal format. Understand? Now,
Yeah.
now comes about the real constant. This contains decimal places values. So very simple. If you have the large data or small data, you can use the exponent form. Okay, or without exponent form also you can use. So by default, the following point constant is the double. So see here, Kaushik, once again, I have only one more time. Just I am stopping and again immediately starting. Understand? So immediately you have to rejoin. Got me? Because it is stopping me. Okay.